Hi everyone, this is Nancy, Papercraft Arts. Welcome to my channel. I have a few journals I want to share with you. I hope my voice lasts. I've had laryngitis for a week and I just can't seem to get rid of whatever it is that's causing my hoarse voice. So bear with me. These journals are kind of special in that I used a tutorial by Tracie Fox, if I can find my little cards that I set down somewhere. And the name of the tutorial was the double envelope notebook tutorial. And I'll put a link to that in the description box below the video. And I also tried to focus on using some of her digitals in both of these little journals. I'm going to start with the one with the butterfly. They're very similar, just one is butterflies and bugs and the other one is focused on florals. So here we have two envelopes, and one in the front, one on the back. They both open. I'll show you this in a minute. They're tied together with some coffee dyed seam binding that has some beads on the end. And we'll open this up. This wraps around just once. And this flap opens up, and inside there are two journal cards that I made. And this is Tracie Fox from the trifold tag kit on bugs. And I cut up the trifold tag into tags instead of using it as it was supposed to be used. Sorry, Tracie, I hope this is okay. And this is just a collage tag I made with some collaging and stamping. And it's actually got a little pocket on the side. And this is one of her little envelopes from the kit. And this opens up and there's a little card from the kit. And we'll just leave these out instead of take time to put them back. Okay, so, and on the front is a butterfly, die cut butterfly from Tim Holtz. It's a little muslin and book page collage. On the inside cover is a Tracie. This is from the trifold tag kit too. And here's the tag that goes in it. And then I just stamped a butterfly in the back. I stitched it onto some muslin and then backed it with some dictionary page. And it's a very simple journal. I tried to decorate just about all the pages with some torn book pages, dictionary pages. I did a collage here with some muslin and a fussy cut butterfly, some Tim Holtz ephemera. This is tea-dyed paper, most of it then, except for the brown paper. And some ledger paper. This is washi tape. Book page I stamped and added a word. This is painter's paper. It's real thin brown paper. It's got a nice feel to it. Another little book page stamped. With some vellum tea dyed. This is a book from a floral a floral book that I have. I didn't have a butterfly bug book, so I included some florals. This is some school paper, tea dyed, another little collage with a Tim Holtz butterfly, and some muslin. Another part of that painter's paper that I collaged, and I added some washi tape. This is another pocket from that kit and the tag that goes in it. And I just backed it with some parchment cardstock I had. This is green paper, is parchment paper. Comes in a pad. It's another book page. This is from one of those Observer books. Another little collage with some muslin and a Tim Holtz butterfly. And this is from the Edith Holden book. I made a pocket and I put a tag in. It says Believe. A little pocket here. This is another digital from the trifold kit. And this is Edith Holden that I stamped with some butterflies. Little envelope I made, just with some paper in it, little cardstock. It opens up all the way, so it sticks in there. And then there's the back, which is plain. And then that just slips in here. And what we have on this page is that belly band. That's part of that kit too, with the 3 envelopes, and inside each envelope is a little card. Oh, it's backed with some coffee dyed paper. And then I put a slit in each envelope so it will close. And they tuck in there like that. The other side of that Observer book page. Parchment paper, painter's paper, other collage, book page, vellum, another little collage, ledger paper. This is parchment paper, and the other pocket that's part of that kit. And in the inside back cover is that side pocket that's part of that kit. And then I made 2 little file folder type tags as to go in it. It says butterfly. This is some muslin. And then this one says dragonfly, because there's a dragonfly on the front. And those slip into this pocket like this. And then on the back, this flap opens up. These 2 flaps are embossed. And then there's lace down the spine. And these tags are very similar to the ones in the front. This is some collaging and stamping I did. And another one of those, part of the trifold booklet in the kit. And that's that for that journal. I'll be listing these in my shop very soon. One will be called Butterfly, and the other one will be called Floral. So let's move on to the next one. Since I can't see my phone, I'm not sure if I'm in frame. I hope I am. So this one is Floral. Now this one I used a few other things. I used the trifold tag that was Autumn Florals. I used her labels too. I used her Floral Delight. And I also used a few from the mini floral embellishments. Same kind of lace as on the other one, and embossing. I had a real tough time embossing. Every time I ran the embossing folder through the machine, it would go right through the paper. So I had to figure out a way to get it to work for me. So inside this little pocket in the front is 2 tags. One collage, this is the Floral Delight, and one of her labels, one of my words that I typed. Another one of her labels, and another Floral Delight, and that's the back, and I stamped that. And then This is, like I said, the same. This is the tag and the pocket. And the tag goes in, real long tag. These are rub-ons that I got at an Etsy shop. And I also discovered that there's another name for them, and they're called, some people call them print-ons. But I've always known them as rub-ons. I lightly stamped this. I really love the rub-ons, though. They're a lot of fun. I got a few packages of them. There's fussy cutting, a collage with some Tim Holtz ephemera, ledger paper, another rub-on there, and some washi tape, painter's paper. This is a little book page that I stamped. Vellum. Page from a floral book on flowers. Some school writing paper. Another collage with a fussy cut. This is a washi tape here too. I got this washi tape from the same shop that I got the rub-ons at. This is the tag that goes with the trifold kit and the pocket that goes with it. This is more of that parchment paper. A page from the Observer's book. And this is the little belly band with the envelope. And a little card inside. This time I backed these cards with the craft card stock. And they slip in there like that. Some more little collage and another rub-on. Edith Holden pocket. And on this side there's a little, same as the other one, a little pocket and an envelope and a card inside. This is from the mini embellishments, the Tracie Fox mini embellishments. And so is this one, and this is a rub-on. And this paper in the back is Edith Holden from the book. Another collage with a fussy cut that I did, and some cheesecloth, Tim Holtz ephemera. Another other side of that Observer's book. Ooh, parchment paper, painter's paper, another collage, another book page from a flower book. Another one that stamped dictionary page, the word. These are just, both of these books are just one signature, but they still took time to make. And this is another tag and pocket from the trifold tag kit, trifold envelope kit, I think it's called. And this is the side pocket from that same kit. Another mini embellishment, floral. And this is also one of the part of the tags in the paper. Oh, I know what else I used in this book was Tracie Fox's kit called Nature's Epiphany. I used some of that paper to back my tags. And this is a muslin. Same with this. This is another one of the circles from the mini embellishments. And then on the back there's some rub-ons. And this says Bloom and Grow. And then in this pocket in the back are two tags. Again, the Floral Delight. And I just stamped that, and another collage tag with a pocket, and that's a Floral Delight card. That's one of her labels with a rub-on in the middle of it. And this is some of the Nature's Epiphany paper, and another one of her labels. And that is that. That's it for those journals. I should have them up in my shop soon. I also, before I go, I wanted to tell you, now that I'm really losing my voice, I made this little necklace booklet about 2 weeks ago, and I posted a picture of it on one of the Facebook groups I belong to, and I do plan to do a process video on how I made this. It'll be my first one, but I've been waiting till I get my voice back. So just to show you, there's like 30 pages, I think about 30 pages, and it's just a mixture of some scraps, some coffee dye, ledger paper, Tim Holtz paper, parchment, and it's all put together by a little ring, a little book ring that you can take off if you want to remove some of the pages or add pages to it. And this is embossed. This is made from a book cover, an old book cover to a book. And then I just put it on some cording. And then there's an elastic that goes around it to hold it together. So yeah, look, keep checking back on my channel to see, if I put the video up yet. I'm hoping I'm gonna get better soon. It might be time to go see the doctor. So, or it might be allergies. I don't know what it is, but I'm fighting something. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed seeing those journals, and I hope to be back soon. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.